How's it going, guys? My name's Corey and I'm the founder of the Tiger Keg. Right now you can walk into just about any coffee shop or supermarket and find some sort of Nitro coffee, whether it's on tap or packaged in a bottle or a can. What you can't do is easily make Nitro coffee from the comfort of your own home. Now, we thought this was a silly problem to have, and that's why I'm incredibly happy to introduce the Tiger Keg. The Tiger Keg is a revolutionary new product that allows you to infuse any coffee with Nitro. Its robust design allows it to be completely portable, so you can take it with you out on the trail, to your office, and of course, your refrigerator at home. So here's how it works. First thing you do is take your coffee, pour it into the keg. Second, you'll take your tapping system and screw your tapping system onto the keg. After that, you'll take your Nitro charge and tighten that into the tapping system. Once you hear the noise that the gas has gone into the keg, you're good to go. From there, you'll take it, twirl it around, shake it up a little bit, and your coffee's ready to go. And the last step is pour yourself a glass and enjoy. This is something we feel every coffee lover should have, and that's why we need your help. We have the manufacturing and distribution already in place, but we don't have the necessary capital to place an order with the manufacturer. With the help of your pledges, we can make Nitro coffee anywhere.